Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to schedule the activities and how to find the critical path activities. Here in the Gantt chart view you will see the arrows that shows the relationship between the activities which we had established in the previous video. Sometimes you will not see these arrows, so to show these arrows you will click bar chart options and you will see show relationships. So if you uncheck these arrows will disappear, and but we want to see these arrows, so we will show these relationship. Click OK. To schedule the activities, then we will go to tools, schedule, or hit F9 and schedule activities. After scheduling the activities, you will see the bars have moved because of the relationship between the activities. So in this way you can schedule these activities, and keep in mind that we are creating the baseline schedule. Baseline schedule is basically the pre-mobilization submittals part. So once we complete this baseline schedule, we will submit it to the client. Once it is approved by the client, then we can measure the actual progress against this baseline. I have already made some changes to the duration of some of the activities just to explain the critical path activities to the viewers. So if you see in the Gantt chart view, you will see some activities are in red. These red activities are critical path activities. Critical path activities are those who has zero slack time. The activities which can affect the finish date of the project. So these are called critical path activities. You can see the finish date is January 3rd. If you remember in the beginning we had given the finish date December 31st 2020. So that's why these critical path activities appeared here. We can adjust some activities just to squeeze the finish date of the project. Let's say we want to avoid these critical path activities, or we want to avoid the delay of the project, so we will change it from 7 days to 3 days. Let's schedule again, and now you can see there are no critical path activities shown anymore. It means that the project is in the defined time. So in this way we can adjust the duration of the activities and we can avoid the delay of the project. While scheduling the activities, you will see current data date. So this date means that the date on which you are scheduling the activities and want to see the status of the project schedule. So I just wanted to explain this date to you, that it can be today's date, it can be in the future, but right now we are creating the baseline schedule, so better to keep the data date as the start date of the project.